Hello friends. We usually run into a lot of hassle when we format our PC or install OS. The hassle being we need to reinstall all our software one at a time. What if I told you after seeing today's video you can install the essential software on your PC with a single program? So let's get started. The application which will serve this purpose is called Ninite. Let's check out the option and variety of software which you can install at once using Ninite. As you can see, the softwares are arranged in categories and you can choose the ones that fit your needs. For example, I'll choose a few apps that I need on my PC. After choose all the file we need, we just need to click on get your Ninite. Now let's run the exe which we downloaded. The apps are getting installed one by one. So now you can grab a cup of coffee and come back to see all your applications are installed with just one exe file. That's all for today and thanks for watching. If you like the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe.